The most reliable fix for WooCommerce email issues is to install and configure a dedicated SMTP plugin. Before doing this, you should perform basic checks to diagnose the exact cause of the problem. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WooCommerce email not sending error. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing will be to check the order status. Now, emails are only sent for orders with processing or completed status. So, if orders are stuck in pending payments, no emails will be triggered. This can be a gateway issue. The other thing will be to verify email settings. Now, in your WordPress dashboard, you're going to click on settings, you're going to click on emails, and you're going to click on manage on the specific email template and ensure that the enable this email notification box is checked. Now, the last thing to do will be to check spam folders, and often emails are sent successfully but caught by spam filters. So ask customers to check their spam folders and check your own admin email spam folder. Now, the primary solution to this would be to use an SMTP plugin. Now, WordPress uses a default WP mail PHP function, which is unreliable as many web hosts block or restrict it due to spam concerns. Now, using a dedicated simple mail transfer protocol, which is an SMTP plugin, is the industry standard for a reliable email address. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to install SMTP plugin. You're going to go to plugins. You're going to go to add new in your WordPress dashboard and search for a reputable free plugin like WP Mail SMTP or Fluent SMTP. You install and you activate it. Now, you're going to configure with a mail service also. You're going to run the plugin setup wizard to connect it to a dedicated email service provider, such as SendLayer, Brevo, or smtp.com. Now, these services offer better deliverability and authentication. You would need to obtain API keys or SMTP credentials from your chosen provider and enter them into the plugin settings. Now, the next thing you're also going to do is you're going to ensure proper sender email. Now, in the SMTP plugin settings, you're going to go to WooCommerce, you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to email, and you're going to go to email sender options, and you use an email address that matches your store's domain. So you're not going to use a public domain like at gmail.com or at yahoo.com. The next thing to do will be to add authentication records. Now, to prevent emails from being flagged as spam, you need to add SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to your domain's DNS settings via domain hosts such as GoDaddy or Cloudflare. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to send a test mail. Now, most SMTP plugins have a built-in email test tool, and you can use it to confirm everything is working perfectly. Now, that's how to fix WooCommerce email not sending issue. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.